In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the start of the week to Monday in Notion. By default, Notion sets the beginning of the week based on your location, which usually defaults to either Sunday or Monday. However, if you'd like to customize this setting manually to better fit your schedule or workflow, it's a simple process that only takes a few moments. Personally, I find it more practical to start my week on a Monday, as it aligns perfectly with most work schedules and helps me keep track of what needs to be done throughout the weekdays. Let me guide you through the process right now. First, when you open up your Notion workspace, cast your eyes over to the left-hand sidebar. This side panel is incredibly handy for navigating through the various features and settings that Notion offers. Within this sidebar, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. This is where you'll find all the customizable settings you need to adjust your Notion experience to suit your personal preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of options grouped under different sections. The one you're interested in is labeled Language and Time. This section controls not only how the interface language appears, but also how time and dates are formatted across your Notion pages, including our main focus today, how the calendar week is structured. Now, as you find yourself in the Language and Time section, keep an eye out for a toggle option that reads, Start Week on Monday. Typically, this option is switched off by default, depending on your location. Simply click to toggle this feature on. This small switch is all that's required, yet it can make a world of difference in organizing your week, particularly if a Monday start is more in line with your planning and productivity habits. And that's really all there is to it. Your Notion calendars will now display Monday as the start of the week, reshaping your view and perhaps giving you a new perspective as you take on each week. This change can streamline your workflow, reduce any potential confusion about what day it is in the context of your projects, and overall provide a smoother Notion experience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it has been helpful in guiding you to make the necessary adjustments in Notion to better fit your needs. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other features in Notion, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to assist. Until next time, take care and happy Notioning.